Emaan Bilal. We are the students of one Turquoise. My presentation topic is education. Education is most powerful weapon in the world. Education plays important role in our life. It was knowledge. It increases self-confidence. Education is the process of learning. Education helps us to develop skills. Educated person is respected everywhere. Education is the right of every citizen. Education helps us to learn all basic rights.